Economics, Standard 12, Unit 5, Monetary Economics. Inflation is taxation without legislation, says Milton Friedman. Monetary economics is a branch of economics that provides a framework of analyzing money and its functions as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. It provides the effects of monetary systems, it provides and examines the effects of monetary systems, including regulations of money and associated financial institutions. Money has become very important in modern economy. And so modern economy is called as money economy. Modern economy is called as money economy. So money economy. Without money, we can do nothing. And modern economy cannot function without money. So modern economy is called as money economy. Money is what money does, says Walker. Money is what money does. Money is what money does, says Walker. It's a beautiful saying, sir. Because without money we can do anything. So money is what money does, sir, says Walker. And then the importance of money. Money can be anything that is generally acceptable as a means of exchange and a store of value, and also at the same time acts as a measure and a store of value. Even in the early stages of development, the need for exchange arose. But exchange took place first in the form of barter. The exchange of one good for another without the use of money is called barter system. The exchange of one good for another without the use of money is called as barter system. And the exchange of one good for another, that's you have to remember, without the use of money. So the history of barter system starts way back in 6000 BC. So it was just introduced by the Mesopotamians, then later on carried out by Phoenicians. And the new, that is improved barter system was just given by Babylonians. That is, goods were exchanged for goods and developed by Babylonians. So remember, Mesopotamians first introduced the barter system, and then remember that is, it was just carried out across the oceans by Phoenicians, and later Babylonians just carried out this as in an improved form of barter system. Babylonians. Okay. So just to understand, barter system was the first in the history of evolution of money. Surplus goods were exchanged for money, which in turn was exchanged for other needed goods. Surplus goods were exchanged for money, which in turn were just exchanged for other needed goods. You know, goods like furs, skin, and wheat, and moreover that is some other salt, rice, utensils, and even weapons were commonly used as money. Remember, barter system was first introduced, and it dates back 6000 BC. And the exchange of one goods for another was without use of money is called as the barter system. There were many difficulties in carrying out the barter system, and the introduction of money just overcame the difficulties of the barter system. So, the introduction of money as a medium of exchange was one of the greatest inventions of mankind. After the barter system and commodity money system, modern money system evolved, and among these, metallic standard is the premier one. Metallic standard. Some metals were used as money. So that's what we call it as metallic standard. And that is first, the foremost after the barter system, to overcome the difficulties of barter system, metallic standard was introduced. Some kind of metal, either gold or silver, is used to determine the standard value of the money and currency. Either gold or silver or any metal just is used to determine the standard value of money and currency. Standard coins made out of the metal are the principal coins, the main coins used under the metallic standard. They are full-bodied or full-weighted legal tender. Their face value is equal to their intrinsic metal value. So, their value was just equal to the intrinsic metal value. The foremost came under the metallic standard, gold standard. So, gold was just used as the money, and the gold standard was introduced under the metallic standard. In this system, standard currency is directly linked with certain weight of gold. So, standard currency was directly linked with certain weight of gold. So, the purchasing power of the unit of money is maintained equal to the value of the fixed weight of gold. The purchasing power of a unit of money is maintained equal to the value of fixed weight of gold. And then silver standard was also introduced. Silver coins were introduced, and of course that is silver. And the system is your monetary arrangement in which, that is, a country's government allows conversion of its currency into fixed amount of silver. In this system, the monetary arrangement in which a country's government allows conversion of its currency into a fixed amount of silver. And then later, the metallic standard was overthrown, and new system, the paper currency standard, and in the modern world, we have plastic currency or plastic money. And some examples of the plastic money that you can remember: the cash cards, credit card, debit cards, and so on. Students, let us continue learning this lesson in the next class.